should not touch futures and options. If you cannot solve these questions, don't even touch futures and options in your life. Only after understanding come to the stock market. That's what I say. So Namaste India. So this is the foundation 4 of options. So in this foundation, mainly it is question and answers. So I am just giving you one question, just solve the answer. The answer is I need 5 answers for 5 case studies. Very simple question, very simple answers. If you can solve this very simple question, whatever I'm giving, then you understood foundation 1, foundation 2, foundation 3. If you are not able to solve this question, then you are not fit to be option trader. You should not touch futures and options. If you cannot solve these questions, don't even touch futures and options in your life. Only after understanding come to the stock market. That's what I say. Because after coming losing 45 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, it doesn't make any sense. So you bought, carefully listen, you bought one company futures, ABC company limited, one futures you bought, and futures is trading at 100 rupees. Very important, you are buying one futures and you bought it at 100 rupees. Futures is trading at 100. Even spot price is also 100. Futures and spot both are matching. You bought futures at 100. That's all. No confusion. You bought futures at 100. At the same time, you sold one call option 105 strike price, which is out of the money. 101 strike price wala call option sell kar diya. See, you sold, not bought. You sold one call option. Premium you collected is 3 rupees. You collected premium of 3 rupees. See, once you sell the call option or a put option, you are receiving the premium, right? If you buy the option, you are paying the premium. If you sell the option, you are receiving the premium. So you received 3 rupees. And the lot size for futures and options both, it is 1000. Lot size is 1000. And share price is trading at 100. Futures is also trading at 100. So case study 1, on expiry day, if it expires at 110. Case study 2, 105. Case study 3, 120. Case study 4, 97. Case study 5, 103. Tell me the answers for each one of this one without going to the next part of the video. Pause the video, test your knowledge, write the answers. So if you cannot write the answers, see the next part of video. So next part of video is answers. So you bought futures, lot size is 1000, and for case study 1 it expired at 110. See, if it expires at 110, see, you sold 105 call, premium you received is 3 rupees. See, if you buy futures at 100, if it get closed at 110, the futures will give the profit of 10 rupees. 10 into 1000, it's 10,000 rupees profit. This is for futures, but we are having options also here. So options, you sold 105 call option, the break even is 108. The break even is 108, right? But this went and closed above the break even. See, it went and closed above the break even 2 rupees. It went to 110. So the loss is 2. So 2 into 1000. The loss is 2000. But here the profit is 10,000. So here the loss is 2000. Overall, the first case study, the answer is 8,000 rupees profit. I hope everyone understood case study 1. Very simple case study. if it expires at 110, call selling में loss हो गया. See 108 तक there is no tension because the break even is 108. Anything above 108 it's a loss for option seller, but it closed at 110, 2 rupees loss. The total answer is 8,000 for case study 1. So I hope it is clearly understood. You should know the break even. So anything above break even it's a loss for option seller. Anything below break even it's a profit for option seller. But for option buyer ब्रेक इवन ऊपर आ गया तो उसका प्रॉफिट मिलेगा ऑप्शन बायर को. सी ऑप्शन बायर को 2 रुपये प्रॉफिट मिला, हमको लॉस हो गया 2 रुपये, एंड फ्यूचर में 10,000 प्रॉफिट. द आंसर इज 8,000. नेक्स्ट केस स्टडी 2. I think where did it expire? It expired at 105. If it expires at 105, the same thing, the futures may, you will get 5 rupees profit, 5 into 1000, 5,000 rupees profit. And in options may, see the break even is 108, it didn't even reach 108, it closed at 105, so entire 3 rupees became 0. 3 rupees became 0 means that 3 rupees is a profit for us because we are selling an option. See, we are selling an option at 105 and market expires at 105, entire premium will become 0. So if it becomes 0, entire money comes to my pocket because I am an option seller. The answer is 8,000 for case study 2 also. ₹8,000 profit. Case study 3, 120. The case study 3 is 120. So if it expires at 120, what is the profit in futures? Very simple, 20,000 profit. But what is the profit in options? See, you sold one call option at 105, but it expired at 120, and your break even is 108. 108 is a break even. Until 108, there is no tension for option seller. But anything above 108 to 120, there is a gap of 12 rupees. 12 rupees is a loss, 12,000 is a loss. So 20,000 is a profit here, 12,000 is a loss. The answer for third one also 8,000 rupees profits. Case study 3, the answer is 8,000. So this is case study 3. I hope everyone is clear with case study 1, 2, 3. Case study 1 8,000, case study 2 8,000, case study 3 8,000 profit. All three is running in profits. Now the case study 4 and 5 is highly twisted. Case study 4 and 5, 99% people will not understand case study 4 and 5. So if you are not understanding, it's like Padmanabha temple door key is there with you, but you are not able to open that key. Definitely you need a help of trainers. So you come for a training, we will definitely help you. So the case study 4, 97. So what is the loss in futures? You bought futures at 100, it closed at 97, 3,000 is a loss in futures. But what is the profit in options? So what is the profit in options? You sold 105 call option, paying 3 rupees, but this closed below 105 or closed at 105. Even if it closes at 105 or closes below 103, the entire 3 rupees will become 0. That 3 rupees is our profit. So if you sell an option and the market closes below the strike price, what will happen to the premium? Entire money will become 0. Whose money? The buyer's money. So if buyer's money becomes 0, that will come to the seller. I am a seller. The answer is 0. For this, no loss, 0 profits. So cost to cost. No loss, no profit. One side loss, one side profit. And end of the day, you are cost to cost. I hope you are able to understand the meaning of this one. Case study 5. Case study 5, it exactly closed at 103. So if it closes at 103, what is the profit in futures? 3 rupees. That is 3000 profit. But what is the profit in options? See, if you sell 105 call option, if it closes below 105, entire money becomes 0. So this also becomes 0. We are getting 3 rupees from the option. See, if you sell an option at 3 rupees, if market closes below 105, that 3 rupees will become 0, not 10 rupees or 20 rupees. Some people will get confused. Sir, if it closes at 103, only 2 rupees we should get. No sir, no sir. If it closes below 105, the entire money will become 0. How can 2 rupees? And previous question 97, if it closes, some people will be thinking 6 rupees profit will get, or 8 rupees profit will get, or 7 rupees will get. How come 7 rupees profit, sir? You are receiving a premium of 3 rupees. The maximum profit you can get only 3 rupees, sir. See, if you want 8 rupees, then we need to go to the option buyer home and receive the money. So we need to go to the option buyer home, which option buyer paid a premium of 3 rupees to you, and you are going and asking him, give me 8 rupees. How can option buyer, a poor chap, can give you 8 rupees? So the answer for this one is 6000. So the maximum loss option buyer can make only is 3 rupees, 3000 in this case, because you received 3 rupees, the maximum profit you can get is only 3000. That's a disadvantage for option sellers. So the answer is 6000. So, and some of you would be telling, sir, this is understood, but still I don't know practically how to understand options. The answer, I'll give some solution to you. So the main thing is, so in.tradingview.com or any website, you open live Nifty or bank Nifty chart. Live Nifty chart you keep observing second by second. So you have to do 3 things or 2 things to understand options in the live market. You need to understand in the live market. You need to do the practical things. Some suggestions I'll give you how to understand options. So options is one game where people don't understand. If they understand, they will never quit stock market. This is the main core secret of options. If you understand options, you will never quit stock market. So live Nifty chart, keep observing and observe the option chain. Option chain live. Option chain live, where will you get it? So I know only few apps or websites where you will get live option chain. See, I'll tell you one app, Edelweiss. Download this app, everyone. Edelweiss is a mobile app. Go to this Edelweiss, go to the home button. There will be derivatives and click on option chain. So what we need to do to understand options? How to understand options in my life. So options has many options, futures has no future. In options, if you see, options is like a playing with a spin bowling. Only you should understand the googlies and spin bowling, how it comes. But futures is like playing against a Mitchell Stark or Britley or Shoaib Akhtar, where the speed of the ball is 160 kilometer speed. See, if you do silly things, even you will be retired hurt also, you cannot come to cricket once again, and even you will get out on the match also. Very dangerous. So trading in futures is very dangerous. You should know the risk management. See, only if you have 10 lakh rupees you trade in futures, else don't even touch futures. So if you lose in futures, book the loss in futures and convert it into cash market. That's all. So that is how you need to deal with futures. But when it comes to options, it's that you don't understand options. That is a big problem with the people. They don't understand options at all. What is the meaning of options? They just assume it's only call and put. Sir, call and put only people who know LKG UKG don't know call and put. See, Understanding call and put is not options. You need to understand in depth. To understand in depth, go to the live Nifty chart in any website, TradingView or your Zerodha or your Angel or any terminal. You open the live chart, 5 minutes candle. 5 minutes candle you open. Keep observing the chart. Meanwhile, keep observing the option chain. I want live option chain. Live option chain is there in the Edelweiss app. Go to Edelweiss app, home button. Click on home button on the left hand side, derivatives, option chain. That option chain is live. That is the biggest advantage you get. In that option chain, observe call option premium jumping, put option premium falling, or vice versa. See, if market is falling, put will be jumping, call will be falling. Why it is jumping, why it is falling, you need to observe. Every day, you start from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. On Thursday, which options will become zero? You keep observing. Why it became zero? Why in the money didn't become zero? If you can find the answer, you will understand options. So do practically, just you do only one lot of trading. Just start with only one lot of. You start with naked options. Ultimately, naked options is a door to hell only. But what to do? So at least with only one lot, you do some chota trades, only one lot. Don't do more than one lot. If you do more than one lot, directly you will come on streets. That is naked options. I'm telling you, naked options, that too without scalping. See, if you do scalping, just trade for 10-15 minutes, it's fine. But if you are like just buying one naked options and leaving it for 3 days, gone. Your career will end in stock market. Don't do naked options. We have to do only hedge positions. Hedging only you need to do. So this is one thing I'm suggesting you. Live Nifty chart देखते रहो, keep watching, and live option chain keep watching. And in between, if you feel market is little bullish or bearish, you take one small trades. You do this for at least 10-15 days, you will understand options. Once you understand options, then there is no end for your life in stock market. You will be there in the stock market lifelong. See, ultimately you need to survive in stock market means you need to have a depth knowledge about options business. If you have a light knowledge about options, then literally you will lose to the core, I'm telling. So without knowing depth knowledge about options or futures and derivatives, don't be in the market only. Don't come to stock market only. That is a sincere suggestion. If you come, learn and earn. Learning will take minimum 1 month or 2 months or 3 months or 1 year or 2 years. It depends on you, not depend on us. It depends on you. So don't be in a hurry to make money. First, be in a hurry to learn. So that's what I say. So thank you. See you in the next video. So this completes the foundation videos of options. Watch all 4 videos at least 2 to 3 times. So that you will understand and have a grip on options. Thank you.